Okay, this is known as white birch or paper birch, which is the same family as the silver birch, except a much lighter, and it should just take a spot straight away. Way up. That's what I mean. It is so flammable. And we have fire straight away. Okay, fire's going beautifully. On top, you'll probably notice a rock. Yep, this is my first attempt at rock cooking. So I'm going to cook 2 gammon steaks and tomatoes. I'm going to put some baked potatoes in the fire, in the embers, when it's died down a bit. And we're going to cook gammon on a rock. Let's see what happens. So yeah, I'll switch off for a bit, let the fire get going, wait till the rock gets to the right temperature, which is rock temperature 200, and then we'll see if we can cook the gammon on a rock. You've got to be careful with rocks. I mean, I've got this from a nice place. I'm not going to say where because I'll probably get told off. Anyway, yeah, you've got to make sure they're not full of moisture or anything like that, because they can tend to explode. They can tend to explode? Whatever, you know what I mean. Well, I'll top the fire up some more logs at the back, because I need an all over flame underneath, right underneath there, to come around the back as well. This is, we're going to say in focus, my homemade ferrocerium rod. There we go, made the handle out of walnut. Beautiful, nice brass peg going through it. And use a big one. It's a big one, that one, and it does. Then I'll whack some sparks out. So if you want a quick flame, quick fire up, that's the beauty. All right. Okay, let's see how hot we can get that then. I think the rock I chose poorly. There's 2 huge pieces that just exploded off. Ooh. That's damp. I'm going to get them out in a bit. Not good. We'll see. We'll keep going. Waiting for the next explosion. Just down there, I've just built a little bit of a sort of a fire pit, tiny one. I'm going to put the roasters on that. They should be safe. I don't trust that now. That's another piece. There ain't going to be much left, I tell you. You see it just there. I'm going to get this. We're going to get this gammon out before it disintegrates. Okay, just turning these spuds over. I'm staying well back, to be honest with you. I don't trust it. Right, let's try a bit of oil. See if it gets any. Yes, I did wash it, and that's ready to go actually. So if anybody knows the type of stone that we can use, let me know, because I'd be really interested. I'm just zooming you in a bit. I don't get actually getting that close, to be honest with you. It's definitely cooking, isn't it? We try and flip one over. Ooh, look at that, non-stick. That one's come apart. That's alright. That is hot. That is hot. Okay. I think they're just about done. The potatoes, I mean, so we're not far off. I was going to put some baby tomatoes on, and they're going to cook them because they really are good for you cooked. They give off anyway, yeah, so they're really good. If you look it up, you'll find that they're really good for you, for all sorts of ailments. But I don't trust that stone, so we'll see. Oh, look at that. Lined off beautifully. Oh, doesn't matter. Even ash cooked I've tried and it's really nice. You just brush it off. Oh, it smells lovely. Let's hope the stone doesn't break when that's in there. I don't know about it. I'll tell you what, I'll look down here a bit. There we go. That's just off here. They look beautiful, eh? Beautiful. Love them. Love tomatoes. Especially fried ones. Have a look in. Okay, we're going to try something different now with this here, which I don't think it will, but we'll give it a go. Nope, that didn't work. Well, we're still going to get a fried egg anyway, so I'm going to try again. Okay, one more. I don't do that too hard. The stone will crack. Woohoo! I love it. Anything different, I love it. Look at that colour, it looks amazing, doesn't it? They are our own chicken eggs, by the way, free range, totally, at the garden today. How am I going to get off the stone, you're asking? I haven't got a clue. I have got a spatula. I'll go and find it. I think I've burnt the other egg, I can smell it. I think this is going to, yeah, this is not going to, this is not going to. I don't know.
Scoop it off, it'll be fine.
Ooh.
Got the yolk, that's the main thing.
Hey! Okay, 2 seconds. Fried tomatoes? How many would you like? Ready? I'm going to give you that piece.
You've got two lots.
I'm going to confess, the one fell in the charcoal, so I'm having the charcoal one. That one there.
Crunchy.
Oh, it's bad, look. It's not bad. Probably overdone. There we go. Anything else? That's it, that's it. You want a little bit of chilli sauce?
A little bit, no, thank you.
On the side, or?
On the chop.
Say when.
When? I'll do.
Okay, I'll have a little bit. That'll do. Okay, let's go and get a comfortable seat.
Almost forgot.
Oh, yum. Whew. What would you like?
Two little ones, please.
That one?
Yep.
And that one?
Yep.
Yes?
I don't mind.
Okay. Oh, wow, wow. Oh, yeah.
Scoop one.
Look at that then. Cooked in the
Lovely.
woods. Okay.
Yep. Get a comfy seat.
There you go. Usual test taste. Tomatoes. I'm going to try this gammon that fell in the fire.
Yummy.
That's cooked beautifully, isn't it? Fantastic. If you enjoyed the video, oh, burning my hand. Please give it a thumbs up and like, subscribe buttons over here with the notification bell. That would be fantastic. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next one. All the best. Look at that. Really puffy. Beautifully cooked. My egg's not runny. Well, a little bit. A little bit. So we're all right. Okay, sorry I had to add that little bit. Take care. Catch you in the next one.